In today's video, we'll share with you how to efficiently calculate transaction costs from tickdata. The data we use is the high-frequency data from the New York Stock Exchange. There are two tables, Trade and NBBO, with 27 million and 78 million records respectively. As the timestamps of both tables are at nanosecond level, there are virtually no exact matches between the timestamps of the two tables. Therefore, in order to calculate transaction costs, we need to locate the most recent quote before each trade of the same stock. We may also need to calculate the average quotes within a specific window relative to each trade. These non-exact joins are frequently used in quant finance, but they are not supported in most databases. DolphinDB provides a soft join and window join for these two scenarios. Let's take a look at some DolphinDB script. We only need one line of script in DolphinDB to calculate transaction costs with a soft join, and it takes 339 milliseconds to finish. It's more than 100 times faster than to calculate it in Python pandas. This line calculates transaction costs with window join, and it takes 402 milliseconds to finish. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for technical support and more information. Stay tuned for more updates on our Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, and Slack. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.